Hello, welcome back to another video. My name is Chidera. In case you come across this channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. Please consider subscribing. And to all my new subscribers, thank you so much, guys, for subscribing. You're welcome to this beautiful family. Don't forget to click on the bell notification so that you will always get notified each time I upload a new video. And don't forget to like this video, leave your comment for me in the comment section, and share. All right, help me to share my video. Always share my video. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much, guys, for always and always coming back. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I made this yummy delicious native pasta. See, this pasta is a must try. I want you to try it out. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let me introduce my ingredients for this recipe. And here are the things I'll be using to prepare this pasta. I have here my crayfish. There is no native pasta without crayfish, okay? You have to put your crayfish, it's not optional. And here I have my cooked beef. You can use any protein of your choice. You can use smoked fish. So here is my pepper mix. Here I have scotch bonnet pepper and bawa with onions, all roughly blended. So I have my chopped onions here, and here is my spaghetti I'll be using for this recipe. So now we are going to start by boiling our pasta, okay? So into my dried pot I'll be going in with some water, and I'm just going to cover the pot, allow the water to come up to a boil before adding in my pasta. So now that our water has boiled, I'll be going in with some salt, and I'm going to stir the water now and add in my spaghetti. So guys, I'm just going to stir the spaghetti very well inside the water, and I'll cover the pot, allow this to cook or boil for 8 minutes, okay? 8 minutes. Don't want to overcook your spaghetti because you don't want it to be soggy. So 8 minutes is enough for you to cook it. Remember, we are still going to cook it more, all right? So I'll just cover, allow to cook for 8 minutes. And 8 minutes later, this is what we have. Our spaghetti is ready. I'll just bring this down now and we'll start making our native spaghetti. If you have watched me up to now and you have not liked this video, please click on the like button, okay? Help me to give this video a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, okay? Subscription is free. Liking the video is free. So guys, here in my dried pot, I'll be going in with my palm oil. We are using palm oil because this is native pasta. I'm just going to heat up this oil and then I will go in with my next ingredient. So now my oil is hot enough to accept the next ingredient. I'm going in now with my onions, my chopped onions. If you don't like seeing onions in your food, you can just grate it, okay? Just grate it. But adding onions to these foods, as in it enhances the taste of the food. So onions in this food is not optional too. I'm just going to stir, allow this to fry for 2 minutes, and then 2 minutes later I'll be adding in my pepper mix. So I'll be adding in my crayfish too, because I want the crayfish to fry with the pepper. I want it to fry now. So I'll go in now with my grated crayfish. I will just stir this and I will allow everything in here to fry. Okay, I'm going to cover the pot and I'll allow it to fry. So guys, now that our pepper is fried, I'll be going in now with my seasoning cube. So now I'm just going to stir and then I'll add in my cooked beef. If you are using smoked fish, so this is the time for you to add in your smoked fish. If you are using smoked fish, so I'm just going to mix everything together and I will cover the pot, allow this to fry for extra 3 minutes. Okay, this is so the sauce and everything can marinate very well inside the beef. So guys, it's 3 minutes later and I'll be introducing my pasta now. Have you subscribed to this channel? Have you liked this video? Have you have you Let me give you 2 seconds to like and subscribe. Thank you. So now I'm just going to mix and mix and mix so that everything can coat in well in the pasta. Okay, the sauce and the pasta can marry themselves very well. And guys, our native pasta is ready. You see how yummy this pasta is looking like. I want you to try out this recipe and let me know your feedback in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to leave your comments for me in the comment section. Okay, don't forget to do all of that good stuff to this channel. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much guys for watching, and until I come your way next time, please stay safe. Bye.